today's lesson is exactly the same as yesterday's lesson, so if that made sense to you, then you're going to be in good shape for today. I'm only going to do one example on this, so if it still doesn't make sense to you, then I would recommend going back to yesterday's. It was a Google spreadsheet and watching that video again, because I did go through some more examples in that one than I will be right now. But on this, you have a side that has parentheses on it, and then you have a side that just has the answer. Your job is to always start on the side that has the parentheses and use the distributive property. So you have to distribute the number on the outside to everything on the inside. And distributing just means multiplying. So 4 times x is 4x. You cannot multiply a number times a letter. And then the symbol that's in the middle of the parentheses will stay. So in my example, it's subtraction, but if it were addition, it would have stayed addition. Then I'm going to do 4 times 10, which is 40. And then I'll copy down what I have on the other side of the equal sign, which is 60. Now it's a two-step equation. Again, I always start on the side that has more, and I have to get rid of the number that's not attached to a variable first, which is this guy right here. And the inverse or opposite of subtracting 40 would be adding 40. So if I add 40 to this side, it will cancel it out, which is what I need. But I also have to add 40 to this side. So then I'm stuck with 60 plus 40, which would be 100. And then I'm going to have to drop down what I still have left on the left side of my equal sign, which is 4 times x. And then the opposite or inverse of multiplying by 4 is to divide by 4. So if I divide by 4 right here, I get the variable by itself, so I'm almost done. I have the x by itself, and then I have to do 100 divided by 4, which is 25. So at this point, you've found your answer, x equals 25. On your assignment today, it's a drag and drop, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like in just a second. So you guys have questions to solve right through here. And then you have an answer bank on the bottom, and your job is to solve it, figure out what x equals, and then you'll click and drag the answer from the bottom, and I'm not sure which one equals 0, but whichever one it is, you'll just drop it off in the box and then solve all of them. Each answer will only be used once, and then when you're finished, make sure you guys are clicking turn in on Google Classroom. That way I can see and go easily grade your guys' work.